You shouldn't feel anything other than me just touching you, okay? This is a pretty clean cut through and through, so I don't even think we're gonna need to put sutures in, but I'm gonna try to move his hair as much as I can here. He's got a lot more hair than his daddy. Oh, am I hurting you? Oops. That hurt? Or just feeling movement? You feel like me touching you, or you feel like I'm pulling your hair? Okay, let me put more there. Wait, we'll pause it for a minute. Let's pull. Oh, I didn't even do anything, Goofy.
You're fine, little guy.
You're okay.
You're
fine, little man.
I know you don't feel that, because I just tested you with something sharp and you didn't even know. Okay? We're almost done. Just give me a couple minutes here. You know, we're trying to keep you looking cute. All right? And I don't have any assistance, and I gotta lean over this big Pooh Bear. How many stitches do you want? 0? 3? How about 3?
I want to say 2.
Let's do 3.
Is it done?
Almost done. I'm on number 2. Is it really terrible? Is that like the worst thing in the world for you? Or was it worse to get hit? It was probably worse to get hit, don't you think? Yeah. You guys are gonna have fun. Someone, you know, I think you get 3 family members to auction off taking a suture out. Okay, because you got 3 sutures, so you're gonna get to decide who you want to have take out these sutures for you.